I am now going to attempt to bring all of the things I've bought for my dorm in here. Let's see if I can do it. Oh my god. Hi guys, so this is the first installment of my college series. I'm so excited! Currently it is June 11th and I've already bought all of the stuff you're about to see, and I'm so excited, I'm so ready. This is gonna be like a collective thing. I didn't get all of this in one go. I'm assuming there's going to be like 2 to 3 of these haul videos because I still have a lot more stuff to get. This is the first of many dorm hauls and the first of many college series videos. I'm so excited to go to the college. Let's get into it! First, let's start off with the obvious one right here. This is a nightstand, and it's like mid-century modern, which is a term I learned a few days ago. I've been watching a lot of like The Weekender and like the Sorry Girls, like a lot of like decorating things and like DIY stuff, but I can't DIY, so that's pretty useless, but you know. So this is the first one. My dorms don't have nightstands, and if I don't have a nightstand, I'll die. So that's why I have this. It's from Target. A lot of things are going to be from Target. And it was on clearance, which I was really happy about. It was $80 and I got it for $56. Which isn't great, but it isn't that bad either, so. And I think it matches the wood in my dorms pretty well, so I'm very happy about that. Now let's get it out of the way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's move on. I want to get the big things out of the way, but the biggest thing is on the floor. So hold on. This is a rug. Because my dorms have tile floor, and I don't fuck with that. If it was hardwood, maybe, but I need a rug. This is a 5x7 from Target. It's by the brand Threshold. It's called Kenya Cream. It's a 5x7. There's the picture of it right there in case you need a little idea of what it looks like. It was $100, but I got it 25% off, so I got it for $75, which, another good thing. Also, a tip, if you're gonna shop at Target, oh my god, absolutely use Cartwheel, because that's how I got 25% off on this, and I saved $40 2 days ago at Target. So yeah, always use Cartwheel. And then the last really big thing is this giant body pillow, which is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was $19.99. It's super, like, the body pillow I have now is like all sunken in and like it's all separated and shit. So this one's very nice and new and squishy. I need to get a cover for it, but it's very nice. Oh, and apparently it has a 3-year warranty, which is good because I only go to college for 3 years, so it's very squishy. I'm very excited to use this. Moving on. This is Divine Color by Vase Peel and Stick Removable Wall Surface Covering. If you watch The Weekender, you know what this is. That bitch loves this stuff. It's white brick wall. I assume I can use this because it's peel and stick, so you can just take it off. And I've seen other people do it on YouTube. Yeah. Makes me feel like I'm in like a nice apartment in New York City, even though that's definitely not where I am. So it's really nice. I don't know how much this was. $34.99 is how much it was, which is not, that's a lot of money, to be honest. This is from Target. Moving on. So the rest of the stuff is from Target. This is a flower vase. And you're gonna be like, bitch, what the fuck? Like, what? But I'm gonna use this for makeup, and I have some makeup here, so I'll just like show you what I'm thinking. Like just a place for brushes, like stand-up stuff like that, you know? You get what I'm doing? How much is this? $16.99, which isn't great either, but I really like it. I'm also like trying to get a this thing from Bed Bath & Beyond that it's like an apothecary that you can that I can store more makeup in. And I have 2 essentials, which I think I need kind of to survive because I'm gonna be a busy bitch. So I have a calendar and I have a cork board or a bulletin board. They have stickies on the back, like they have little stickies that I can hang up in my room so I don't have to waste command strips. And yeah, this is a dry erase calendar, which I'm very happy to have because I have a lot to do in college and I have a lot of shows to do, a lot of things to do. I don't know how much this was. I'll look it up. $7.99, which is pretty good. I thought it was $10. And then the cork board, I assume is the same price. Oh, this one is $6.99. Ho ho ho. Moving on. Those are both from Target. This I'm really excited about, and I don't know why. It's a circle throw. Like, it's like a throw blanket, but it's not a square, it's a circle, and I'm like really excited about it. It is a tassel trim round throw by Opal House, and it's from Target. It is 50 inches in diameter, and it was $24.99 at Target. It's not that soft, but it's really pretty. That's the picture of it if you want to see how it is. But you can also just look it up on Target.com. Super cute. And then, of course, I have the stereotypical light box. Everyone has one of these, and I'm okay with that because I love it. So I just feel like having these is just a easy way to like show your creativity. This was I think it was $19.99. $18.99. Oh, wow. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. And then, of course, another essential for the dorm is these string lights. I could have gotten the really super skinny one, like the copper wire ones, but I didn't. Like, they were like $5 more. And like, why? Like, these were $6.99. I'm gonna hang them. I think I'm gonna hang them like around the ceiling, you know, just to like get a little mood lighting, you know. Then I have my little plants that I have so far. This is all of these are fake, by the way, because I don't trust myself enough to keep them alive. And I know it's super easy to keep succulents alive, but like you have to water them like fucking once a week, but I still kill them, so This is a, let's see what it's called, succulent and glass vase. Alright, that's correct. Just some little succulents inside a vase. I'm like scared that it's gonna like fall out. It has little rocks at the bottom and it looks like water. This was $14.99 from Target. And then last but not least is this 7-inch air plant. It is also fake. And I like the little pot it came in. I like the cement, like planters, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, there's a hair in it. Wow, I don't think it's mine. It's just a little tiny plant. This was $6.99, also from Target. I don't think I have anything else. And if I do, I'll put it in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed my dorm haul. I'm so excited for college. You have no idea. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I hope you guys enjoy my college series. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see ya soon. Indoor and outdoor use. Oh wow.